Hi, what are you doing right now? Are you watching TV or maybe studying? Hi, I am watching TV and you? I am reading but why can you tell me about your last vacation? Where do you go? Through last summer I went to Jamaica as was very beautiful and tradition and everything was very friendly. Hi, what are you doing right now? Are you watching TV or am I studying? Hi, I am reading a book read new. What about you? I am watching TV and relaxing. But why can you tell me about your last vacation? Where did you go? Sur Laxumber, I went to Cusco. The mountains were beautiful and ice was perfect. I visited Machu Picchu and I just went to some local markets. What did you do during your last vacation? I went to base with my family. We still play volleyball and I allowed to share food. El food was amazing. That sounds great. What was your favorite part? My favorite part was and had ceviche be to say. I went to beach with my family and with a great time. That's great. And what do you like to most? What I liked to most was going in the set.